Jump in the deep part. There you go.
Go up that way.
That's life out here.
Styling.
Yeah, you're styling.
New Brunswick. Her name just happened to be Quick, 2009 is coming.
There's a beanpole growing on his car. Oh my God, Rick's got no shirt on again. He turned sideways. He looks like a spider web in the wind. We can't see him no more. Oh no. Uh-oh. No way it missed the dozer! No way! That's... Watch out for the beach! Oh no!
Should I go get the tractor?
Yeah, the tractor's halfway here.
Yeah.
Chains on it. Do you know how to start it and use it?
It's got the first gear just like mine. You gotta put it. It's done! Just leave it sit!
Come on, start it up, bring it out. No keys!
That might have been the pollen. Some valet parking you are! Yeah, the yellow stuff was the pollen. That's what it was.
What the hell?
Listen, it's buzzing!
The horn turned on just like my car did when I sunk it.
Yeah. The horn.
Love being white. Awesome.
I thought we might have some carnage.
Oh, the battery's still running.
Funny how the lights turn on. All the switches start to work when it's dying.
No.
Hey, pass me a beer, man. Any cold beer in there?
Where's the horn going?
Oh, that's the horn.
Yeah, that's the horn underwater. Yeah, my van did that, or one of the cars I put. Yeah, my van did that when I drove it underwater. The horn came on.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know how it does that. The Resurrection. We have our 86 Grand Marquis back. Piece of you know what. Are you gonna go rescue him? I heard he blew the motor. I don't know how.
102.3 Bob FM, 80s, 90s, and whatever, including the
Rescue team is here.
We need the chain.
Well, isn't it in the bucket still?
No, I don't know where they put it.
Well, we don't want to hurt the environment, so we have a fast 5-minute rescue out here.
How hard do we gotta get that in before we get the dozer here to pull this one up?
Well, that's potential. I mean, the dozer's always available. Crazy. He's working. Woo!
George!
Oh! That's funny.
Oh, priceless!
There you go.
Ball. Hey, you should have stayed in there.
Yeah, Yeah, you're all washed up. You're not a star anymore. Yep.
They just stayed in there, so he pulls you out and then you just fall out in the car when you open the door.
All right, tractor man. Sweet. It's a family affair. Yeah, that's serious. You got power. You got the power. Riding the wave. All right, open the door. Oh my God. That's a washout. Hey, where are you going?
Ain't enough now? Ain't enough?
I think so.
Okay then.
Are you gonna leave it?
Hang on.
Are you gonna leave it parked down here so every week can go for a swim?
Yeah.
Who needs a good motor to go for a swim?
Yeah. There, look how clean that is.
Yeah, really. You got some rust holes in the floor, I think. Yeah, definitely some serious rust.
Definitely rusty.
Rusty.
Hey, is that one of them new German hot tubs?
Oh yeah, that's one of those
Redneck
totally
Rico.
Uber hot tubs from Germany.
it is.
It's Uber, man.
Oh, that was great. Bathtub boy.
Yeah.